Gonicadua. Bonjour à tous, je m'appelle Gonicadua and today is a very special day. For knowing what is today, watch the video till the end. And also today we'll be doing a very interesting topic, Découvrons la France, describing France. So let's get started. La France est un pays de Europe, the l'Ouest. France is a country in Europe in the East. Elle est grande et belle. It is very big and beautiful. La France est le troisième plus grand pays en Europe. France is the third most biggest country in Europe. La France est connue pour ses fromages, ses parfums, ses monuments, ses vins, etc. France is known for its cheese, its perfume, its monuments, its wine, etc. So these are some specialities of France. La France est connue pour la viticulture aussi. France is known for the vineyard also. France is known for the grape cultivation also. For the manufacturing of wine, grape cultivation, or you can say vineyard, is done. Les vins célèbres de la France sont le Bordeaux, le Beaujolais, le Bourgogne, etc. The famous wine of France are Bordeaux, Beaujolais, Bourgogne. These are very important wines of France. Capital of France is Paris. Paris est la ville lumière et la ville de la mode. Paris is the city of lights and the city of fashion. La mode means fashion. La ville means city. Il y a beaucoup de couturiers comme Yves Saint Laurent, Pierre Cardin, Coco Chanel, Christian Dior, Paco Rabanne, etc. So there are a lot of fashion designers in France like Yves Saint Laurent, Pierre Cardin, Coco Chanel, Christian Dior, Paco Rabanne, etc. So the name of Coco Chanel is very famous because he's a very famous fashion designer. Chanel is also a name of perfume. So the name of a perfume is given on the fashion designer's name. So il y a des monuments comme la cathédrale de Notre-Dame, le musée du Louvre, le Sacré-Cœur et la Tour Eiffel. There are some monuments in France like Church of Notre Dame. So these are very important monuments. Notre Dame. Le Musée du Louvre means Museum of Louvre. Le Sacré-Cœur. Sacré-Cœur. La Tour Eiffel. Eiffel Tower. I hope you all must know La Tour Eiffel, Eiffel Tower. It is a very important monument. It is a very important monument of France. Here we have completed our topic, Découvrons la France, describing France. In the beginning of the video, I have told you that today is a very special day for French speaking people, for francophones. So today is 14 July, 14 juillet. So today is Bonne Fête Nationale. So, Bonne Fête Nationale. नहीं. So today is Fête Nationale, La Fête Nationale, the national festival of France. So I wish you all La Fête Nationale, Bonne Fête Nationale, Happy French National Festival. This is also called Happy Bastille Day. So this is all for today's video. If you like today's session, then don't forget to hit the like button and share it to your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe the channel Learning Hub if you haven't done yet. And also stay tuned for new updates. Thanks for watching. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.